I'm going to be showing you how to earn sales on Etsy. So to earn sales on Etsy, you don't just list products, you need visibility, trust, demand alignment, and here's a practical guide on how that actually works. So the first thing you need to do is sell something people are already searching for. So Etsy is search-based, so demand matters the most. So you need to find a good product type like digital planners, Canva templates, print-on-demand t-shirts, wall art, wedding invites. Don't guess, check Etsy search suggestions first. And use strong Etsy SEO. It's very important where SEO matters, like title, tags, descriptions. You also need to know about tags. Use all 13 tags like digital planner, printable planner, and many more. You also need good photos. You need to know that good photos equals more sale. Even digital products need visuals. What works is mockups, clean, bright images, show before and after. Start with low competition and niche. Don't go too broad. You can upload multiple products. Etsy rewards active shops, so start with 5 to 10 listings minimum. And more listings equals more chances to appear in search. You also need to get early reviews, so reviews increase trust and ranking. You also need to be price smart. You don't need to overthink it. Start slightly lower and increase after the first sales. And then promote outside Etsy. Don't rely only on search. Use Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and then improve listings over time. So in this way, you can successfully earn sales on Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.